Hello traders. I will share another free expert advisor with you. EA Thomas, the MQL5 site has gotten a pretty good rating. The rating obtained is 4.58. The last update was on September 22, 2022 with version 10.0. This EA can work for the gold ounce per US dollar pair. In this video I will explain several hauls about EA Thomas. If you are a new viewer, I suggest subscribing to this channel to get an expert advisor for free every time I upload a video. And make sure you click the bell button to get updated information. One. How EA Thomas works. EA Thomas works using a unique trading algorithm that includes 5 trading advisors at once. EA uniquely analyzes 5 different time frames, can consider the risks involved, chooses one of the 5 points to open on the market. The EA feature allows you to choose which trading strategy to be active for looking for entry points and on which time frame. This Forex expert advisor already uses the news stop trading filter before and after news releases. Control of the trading system used is integrated with the LoBuyTrade.com domain. The features of LoNiTrade.com have the following system: close all trades, close only sell trades, close only buy trades, disable expert advisors, pause expert advisors, enable expert advisors, total score statistics. The function of EA is profit fixation, break-even system, trailing stop system, stop loss, sets the drawdown percentage at which all trades are closed. 2. Recommendations for use. This Forex expert advisor can work on Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar, gold ounce per US dollar to Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar to US dollar and Australian dollar to US dollar pairs. The recommended time frame is M30 and H1. With a minimum capital of $1,000 for one pair. Lots will increase every $1,000. Starting from 0.01 lots. Recommended broker who has low spread type. For broker recommendations, I have provided a registration link in the description. If you are interested, you can register via the link that I have provided. This is the most important. Use a demo or send account for 2 weeks to choose the best trading conditions for yourself. Install EA on VPS. For VPS recommendations, I also suggest a stable VPS to run MetaTrader. In the description I have also provided the VPS registration link. You can check it. This EA already has a track record of trading history on a real account. Later I will show it. You can also see the information from this image. It looks like good trading results can get profits every month. Three. Real account live trading results. Let's check the results of live trading on a real account. $1,000 deposit made a profit of $6,255 or an increase in profits of 628.22%. Trading algorithm, 100%. Profit trades, 73.1%. Loss trades, 26.9%. Maximum drawdown, 79.9%. Trading activity, 46.6%. Here I see a very high drawdown. It should be noted that this expert advisor is quite dangerous. But the results are comparable. You can check the profit details every month here. The profit you get every month is quite high. So that in November this total profit collected was 628.22%. You can also see the growth of your balance in this graph. The drawdown that occurred 79.93% occurred in July 2022. Let's look at other details. Trading history. As you can see here, the pair that runs is only gold, USD. You can see the details of the transaction. Next, statistics. Of trading activity, 46.6% resulting in a total trade of 2,144 transactions. With details of 1,567 profitable transactions and 577 loss transactions. A maximum of 23 consecutive win transactions or around a profit of $60.04. Maximum consecutive loss of 7 transactions or around minus 170.75 used. Average profit 7.36 used. Average loss 9.14 used. And profit factor 2.19. Okay, here the pair distribution is only gold ounce per US dollar with details like this. You can see the comparison of sell and buy, loss used and profit used, then loss pips and profit pips. For drawdown details you can check here. Drawdown by balance 372.13 used or around 5.84%. And drawdown by equity around 2062.69 used or around 79.93%. This is the real drawdown that I described at the beginning. This could be a consideration for you. Slippage. You can check here the recommended broker based on the slippage. You can also check the link in the description for the recommended broker registration. Four. How to install EA Thomas using the mshmg32.dll file. Next, about how to install EA Thomas so that this Forex expert advisor can run on the pair. What you need to pay attention to here is the mshmg32.dll file. You can put the file in the folder you installed MetaTrader. An example like the one here. Here I have put mshmg32.dll file. And I will run terminal. For the terminal that I used version 4.00 build 1355. Okay, the MT4 terminal has successfully opened. I will open an expert advisor for gold ounce per US dollar pair with the H1 time frame. For the settings I will leave the default. And up to here I have successfully run the expert advisor. I will also make sure that the expert advisor is running in the journal tab. Make sure there is a description loaded successfully. Are you having trouble? Don't hesitate to ask in the comments column. If you have run EA Thomas before, you can share your experience in the comments column, so that other viewers can find out more about EA Thomas Expert Advisor. Also watch other Forex Expert Advisor videos. I have shared lots of free Forex Expert Advisors on this channel. Make sure you make observations before using a real account. Thanks for watching till the end.